Hey people, you're here from I Did You Affiliate, and today we're going to talk about our Clickbank series, Use My Lead Gen Secrets. Sorry for the not posting in a while. I've been trying stuff out, succeeding in some of that stuff, but not consistently, so I didn't want to tell you guys about it unless I was doing good with it. So we're going to continue back with the Clickbank series. I sent the email out yesterday. Got a sale. The last couple of days though, I haven't been using Clickbank. I've been using something else. So, that's the reason why I ain't been getting sales, because I ain't been sending the emails out. But I got one yesterday, and I said I might as well gonna make a video about it. Tell you guys about it here. So, the system still works. Clickbank, My Lead Gen Secrets, it all still works, right? So anyway, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go into let's see here. Let's go to marketplace here, right? And what you want to go for is e-business and e-marketing. E-business and e-marketing is where this works the best. And I've been promoting this one product here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. That's the one that's been working for me. But these first like 3 or 4 paid online writing job, this one might work pretty well too, but it payout's pretty low, so I wouldn't go for it. But paid online writing job, that's a good one. I hear perpetual income's really good. I don't know, it has a pretty high gravity score still, so people are still getting sales, and the average conversion is $441. That's pretty crazy. And Reddit reviews, chat jobs, and Facebook. All right, so yeah, this still works pretty fine. So we're gonna go with this here product once again, right? We're gonna go and click to the affiliate page here. Gonna look at what we got for email swipes. Now you just pick an email swipe here, right? You can use any email swipe, or you can go to short ads. Short ads also work. You can pick one of these short ads. They work as well. Just pick the same thing and put an email swipe for it. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty much the same thing. It works as well. So right here, take a quiz. We're gonna just write our own email real quick here. So we're just gonna borrow from an email we already wrote. So this is the one I wrote myself personally, and that's the one I sent that got the sale. Take a quiz to see what social media job suits you. I'm gonna pretty much pick the same email. I'm gonna pick the same email. I'm just gonna change the title here. Let's go. We're gonna pick brackets here. Pick 175. $175 a day. Ever wonder if you could get paid using want to make some money using make money doing what you already do. yeah, basically this, make money doing what you already do. So we're just gonna copy that. Since everything's already in already, I don't need to write the email that I created. We're just gonna hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, it'll send an email around the time that people usually check their emails, and that should be good enough for that. We'll just hit send the email. Boom. Bada boom. Bada bang. We're done. Right. So that's a simple way. You can just go back to a previous email you wrote and just change the title. And boom, you're done. So anyway, since I ain't got nothing to copy from this page, I can just log out here and just log into my next account here and just do the same thing. Take email that I wrote before right here and just paste that, and we're done. That's real simple, right? Send the email. It's the same email, it's just a different title. Some people didn't check. Sometimes you can send the same email and get different results bite to bite. It's weird. Like, just send something. As long as you send something, you're in the clear. You'll get some kind of retention. You know, certain emails do work better than others, but send something. If you don't send nothing, you can't get no kind of engagement, figure out what's going on, what's happening, what works, right? But yeah, the ones that you write yourselves are probably gonna do better because people ain't seen them before. But they probably see, you know, pre-written emails all the time. But that's about it, guys. Very simple to do, very easy, very short video, about 6 minutes long maybe. You know, and that's about all you have to do to make money with this system, My Lead Gen Secrets. The link's in the description if you want to sign in under me. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, you know, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.